Dive into the refreshing world of Brazilian cuisine with this authentic Vinagrete recipe, a staple at any Brazilian barbecue. Vinagrete, also known as Brazilian salsa, is a tangy, vibrant mix of diced tomatoes, onions, bell peppers, and cilantro, marinated in a zesty lime and olive oil dressing. This dish captures the essence of Brazilian flavors, offering a fresh and zesty complement to any meal. To start, select ripe tomatoes, crisp onions, and fresh bell peppers. Finely chop these ingredients to ensure each bite is infused with the blend of flavors. The addition of cilantro brings a burst of freshness that elevates the dish to new heights. For the dressing, the key is in the balance of lime juice and olive oil, accented with a splash of vinegar. This combination creates a dressing that's both bold and refreshing. Season with salt and pepper to taste, ensuring the flavors are perfectly balanced. Combine the chopped vegetables in a large bowl, pouring the dressing over them. Stir well to ensure every piece is coated in the zesty mixture. Letting the vinagrete marinate is crucial, as it allows the flavors to meld together, creating a deeper, more harmonious taste. Serve the vinagrete chilled or at room temperature, alongside grilled meats or as a standalone side dish. Its versatility makes it the perfect addition to any meal, from casual barbecues to more formal gatherings. The bright colors and bold flavors of this Brazilian vinagrete are sure to impress, making it a must-try for anyone looking to bring a taste of Brazil to their table.